Good morning, good afternoon. By the way, it is just Gioni. It is actually good evening and it has just rained, okay? I mean, that is the weather in Nakuru. During the day, I mean, from morning to about 3 p.m. there, it will be so sunny. It will be so hot. I mean, in Nakuru, when it is sunny, it is hot, all right? When it rains, it pours. So it just finished pouring, okay? But sasa, I am right here at a place known as Teachers, okay? And behind me, we have this apartment here. They have units for rent, let me just mention. But today, we are here to review an Airbnb, a furnished home that is right here. A comfy, ample, cozy, furnished home. And most importantly, spacious. I told you some time back, the landlords in Nakuru and developers in Nakuru, these folks are very generous, okay? These guys are generous, all right? Now, by the way, right here, the beauty of here, the first advantage is that you see that matatu? The first advantage of here is that if you don't have a car, many matatus actually use this route, you know, to drop people in the Teachers estate, okay? We are in Teachers. So matatus just pass right here in front of this gate. Okay, there is another one, okay? So like if you don't have a car, there won't be any problem at all. You will just be dropped at the Faith Apartments at Teachers. Sawa sawa. Now, let's go inside. That's another matatu, as I was telling you. All right? All right, let's go inside this gate. So, very well. Sorry. He just knocked the door there. So I had to tell him, sorry. Anyway, so we are here. Now, you see the parking pale, okay? I mean, there's ample parking, okay, for your car. Don't worry about that. This gate is locked 24/7. I see there's an electric fence along the perimeter wall, sawa. And come with me. We are just about to get into the unit, okay? We are just about to get into the unit. A 2-bedroom, comfy, ample, cozy. Most importantly, by the way, spacious. Okay, this is like the most spacious 2-bedroom Airbnb that I have come across. Now, I was talking about security, and let me just, you know, it has just rained. Let me just wipe my shoes kidogo. Very well. So I was talking about security. Now, this is another element of security here, that this gate here is locked at night. So imagine how many gates are locked here. There is that one, there is this one, and there is another one just pale juu, just outside the Airbnb. There's another gate there for maximum security. So this place, even if you come here for hideout, surely nobody is going to find you here. Kuna mtu atakupata hapa. Sasa atakupata aje? Unaenda wapi? Unataka nani? Okay? Very well. Let's go and see the unit itself. Very well, so nimefika to the unit itself. All right, now, first things first, nimenotice there's a gate here. Imagine there's a gate to lipita pale chini, and there's another one here. You know, this gate hapa hivi, okay? So, I mean, these guys, when it comes to security, they are not joking. There's another gate here, maze. Can you imagine? Now, secondly, I love how wide their balcony is. The front balcony hapa, it's not just this, because nikifunga hii mlango namna hii, see, like you have a huge space out here, yako tu ya kutulia, okay, kuangalia kule tu kwa neighborhood, kupunga upepo. It is really a huge space, okay? I mean, for instance, kama kuna those foldable chairs, unaweza kuja tu, unatulia hapa, you pull one from the house, unatulia tu pale. If you have yours, I know some of you mnatembea na those chairs kwa gari, bas, beba tu, weka hapa nje, endelea kutulia. Remember, when you're coming to Airbnb, you also want the experience, ndio hivyo. It is the experience, Now, this is a beautiful house. This is a beautiful house. First impression is great, okay? Mbona nasema is great? Very simple lounge. I mean, sometimes, by the way, I go to an Airbnb and I'm like, why can't my house be just this simple? Okay, straightforward. So hapo ukiingia tu through that door, okay, kuna curtain hapo, draw the curtain, ingia ndani. They have done a 5-seater hapa, and this is a comfy set. Very comfy. This is really comfy, so kweli. All right. Now, so 5-seater, 1, 2, and of course the 3-seater there. I can see the TVs on this side, okay? TV yako iko pale, some storage pale chini. ya kuweka vitu zako. Danka kitu inaitangwa jina sawa jina yake. TV stand. Okay? So the TV stand is there with some room for storage hapo. I'm charging my phone hapo. Nimetake your opportunity to charge my phone. They have Wi-Fi here. This is connect. Okay, so they have Wi-Fi there. Hata wameandika pay bill number ya kulipa those internet. The touches on the wall. I like this to design here. Okay, there are 3 of them, 2 here and another one on that side. Inaitwaje hiyo? Wall mount. Thank you. Thank you. Some nice wall mounts hapo, and of course, I mean, there's plenty of light, okay, in this room. A lot of light. The ceiling is quite high na hapa nini, and the recessed light hapo juu. Really nice. I mean, you can press, you change the ambience as you please. Let me just do that. Let's see. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, you're saying imekuwa cool. Okay, this one is warm, this one is bright. So you can decide, okay? So the coffee table hapa naona hadi iko na, you know, some storage hapa chini. All right? I mean, it is a nicely furnished home, okay? 2-bedroom Airbnb, and the lounge itself is quite spacious. Now, owning a home is an essential need in this day and age. That said, Elevated Gardens in Bahati, Nakuru County offers just the perfect opportunity for you to build one. Whether you want to surprise your parent with their dream home with our Bariki Muzazi initiative, build your own home, or better still, invest and develop the entire project as a gated community, the options are endless. The project is located 20 kilometers from Nakuru CBD and touches the Nakuru-Nyahururu highway. Electricity and water are a matter of connecting to the site, and with the sub-county administrator's office being just across the road, security will be enhanced. Starting at 1.2 million shillings per plot, Elevated Gardens is one of the most affordable prime projects in Nakuru. Book your 50 by 100 plot now with a deposit of just 400,000 and clear the balance in 6 months interest free. For more information, call 0705 563 546, or better still, visit Elevated Acres office at Lydia Arcade, 3rd floor, room 306 in Nakuru City. They will be glad to serve you. Through this door, danka malai, hii nyumba kwanza ni bigi. Alafu like design yao inanifurahisha sana. So through this door, straight ahead you have a separate toilet and a separate bathroom. I mean toilet, bathroom, all right. Alafu wamefanya usafi. Hiyo ndio ile kitu yenye nimependa zaidi. Tiles are not busy on the wall, on the floor, okay? Both. Alafu there is a lot of room hapa hivi. Hapa hivi hata jamani ukiamka asubuhi useme wacha nifanye mapush hapa before you go to work. Really nice place. The toilet iko all clean. Yani the touches kwa hii nyumba ziko tu top notch. Alafu naona wametumia recessed lighting in all rooms, okay? Haya, wow. This house keeps surprising me, but look at the size of this kitchen. Look at the size of this kitchen. Alafu now, one thing I like about this house ni kwamba everything is just at the right spot. Okay? Sasa tumeingia kwa hiyo mlango. Okay? Tumeingia kwa hiyo mlango, si ndio? So kingia tu hivi, kuka imewekwa hapo mahala pake. Across hapa kuna fridge, a tall fridge hapo, okay? Sijui ni volume ya how much, but okay, tunaweza tumia tu height for now. I don't know the volume, okay? Sijui kila kitu jameni kwa hii dunia. Alafu hapa kuna microwave hapo. Kuna blender hapa, okay, ya juice etc. Plenty of storage huku chini, hapa juu. Now, I love this. You see this working height. Any house ambayo mi huenda na the cabinetry kwa jikoni, I mean, is this height, like it's accessible for both short and tall people. So I really love this working height. Kuna place unapanga bana nini ziko huko, watu short unapanda unatumia stool kwanza ndo access vitu kule ndani. So there's a lot of countertop space hapa ya kupika chapo, roll pancakes, kupika tu keki. Kama wewe ni mtu wa baking, bas bring your your craft into this unit. Kuna maji hapa. Yeah, mko hapa kwa sink kuna maji. Okay, there's plenty of water. Hautakuja kuambiwa sasa maji imekuishia now. Haya, so through this door tunakuja sasa kwa balcony ya jikoni. Kai, hii ni balcony. Wow. Danka, hii ni balcony. So you can imagine this house, front and the back, you know, the front and the rear balcony, they are both the same size. I mean, they cover the entire unit, okay? From that end to that end, it's an entire balcony. There's just so much space ya kucheza nayo. So on the rear balcony pia, I see they have fixed these hangers here, okay, for your clothes. So maybe ukikuja ufue manguo, unaweza anika hapo. I mean, this is that house where you take for long term, you book it for long term stays, because surely it is just ideal, okay? This house is just ideal. Everything for me, it's in the right box. Haya, tuendelee. Hii nyumba jameni, mwanzo check it. Yani kila place unaenda tu ni space everywhere. Ui, hizi ni bedrooms. Tuanze na ile ndogo, na upime na ndogo yako uniambie kama yako ni kubwa kuliko hii. Ay. Now, this is the guest bedroom, folks. Okay, guest bedroom, nicely done bed. Nasikia tu nijirushe tu hapo juu ya bed, but sitaki niharibie ule customer ambaye atakuja hapa hivi. Okay, so this is a 4x6 bed, and just see the amount of room ambayo imebaki huku. They have done some nice curtains here with some nice shears. Okay, shears obviously zinakuwa tu white, those allow some light into the room. Now I have more space here, okay, and I have this bedside. Danka inaitwaje? Sawa. So could I stand up hivi on the bedside na iko na some storage hapo. So ikiwa tu hapa kando yako unaweza ekelea simu yako, unaweza ekelea nini laptop yako hapo. Ukidoze, maybe you are just doing something nini while on the bed, unaweza ekelea tu hapo. Unafanya nini? Unadoze. So there's plenty of storage hapa in the wardrobes, okay? A lot. Hii hata uwezi maliza. Okay? So this is that B&B ambayo unakuja hata na family, unakuja na crew, una relax tu hapa hivi, maybe 1 week in Nakuru, 2 weeks in Nakuru, even a month in Nakuru, long term stays. You know, you are very much welcome, because hii nyumba, it is just ideal for that. Now, into the other bedroom. So these are 5x6 bed. All right? And still, I'm walking here on the side, okay? Na hakuna any distraction hapa hivi, okay? I told you about the curtains and shears already. Now, I love their downlight hapa, okay? I love the design of their downlight hapo. Now, imagine from that bed, imagine another bed can fit here. Another 5x6 bed can fit here. Already we have a 5x6 bed. So just imagine how much room you have in this apartment. Okay, and by the way, they have a rental unit. Check it out in the next video. They have a rental unit here. Na touring this B&B, I'm sure has given you an idea of how you can plan your house. Ndio hivyo. So there's a mirror here, okay, slotted just up. I mean, integrated on this, on this panel, okay, on this door of this wardrobe, okay. So there's a mirror there. Alafu, there's just plenty of storage kwenda kule juu kote. On this side, the organization is good. You know, there are more shelves down here. Sawa. I mean, the tiles again, they're just neutral, neutral color. The folks ambao waliunda hii nyumba jameni, they did a tremendous job. I mean, there's just room. Whichever part of this house you go, kuna just a lot of room, okay, for you to move around. Just check it. Tutama niko jikoni. There's just so much room. I can even run. I can even run from here, run at this corridor here, go back to the lounge there. I mean, there's just a lot of room. That's when nimeita this B&B, spacious, cozy Airbnb, 2 bedroom, of course. Sasa Danka, hizi viti ni comfy. Ulikaa kweli? Ulikalia? Ulikalia tukianza. Hizi viti ni comfy mse. Yeah. All right, let's continue. Folks, this Airbnb, this furnished home, okay, at Teachers in Nakuru is being offered at 5,000 Kenya shillings, okay? And I think it's a bargain, kusema ukweli. Given the amount of room ambayo uko nayo hapa, okay, just to do a lot, surely this unit is a bargain, okay? I'm sure you have seen me doing some other units, okay? That's for 5,500, for 5,000, but now, okay, you can even compare, okay? Just compare, but I do feel this one is a bargain, sawa sawa. So my number is on the screen, okay? If you're interested to book a stay here, and you are very much welcome. Nilikwambia, you're just by the roadside. Even matatus just ply that car road there. So maybe if you don't have a car, unajua, mati itakuachia tu pale, then unaingia kwa nyumba. So my number is on the screen. If you want to book this Airbnb, it's for 5,000 Kenya shillings, and you can also book it as a 1 bedroom in case you can't manage the 2 bedroom for 3,000 Kenya shillings. So up to that point, let me say see you in the next one.